Shiba Inu has finally rebounded today, compensating for its previous losses after many days of declines. The sentiment has shifted to an optimistic one. Individuals are enthusiastic. Analysts are retracting their recommendations. A significant price surge for Shiba Inu may be imminent, although an unusual occurrence has recently transpired. Everyone received no explanation whatsoever. What is occurring? What am I referring to? Allow me to explain. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. The Shiba Inu has shown extraordinary behavior today. After many days of difficulty, it ultimately regained its footing, recuperating its losses and increasing by around 3 to 4%. The community's vibe has entirely transformed. Enthusiasm is rekindling, and the palpable excitement is returning. The overall sentiment has shifted to positive, as a Shiba Inu was only pausing before initiating a movement. The experience has been tumultuous, however, it seems that this journey is not yet over. Moreover, it is not even the most significant aspect. Shiba Inu has surpassed a significant resistance level, and observers suggest this may have many implications. The wider cryptocurrency market has seen a stagnation, although Shiba Inu has captured significant attention. Following a decline to its lowest level in the last 24 hours, it is currently exhibiting tangible indications of an early recovery. It is recovering from losses and making progress, maintaining traders' anxiety as the market conveys ambiguous signals. Currently, Shiba Inu is trading above its previous resistance level, overcoming a significant obstacle as it endeavors to recover its weekly losses. The momentum is changing, and developments are becoming intriguing. However, please pause. It improves further. An expert on Twitter has indicated that Shiba Inu may be preparing for a significant development. He asserts that the decline has officially concluded since a green candle has emerged on the weekly chart for the first time in weeks after 5 consecutive red candles. Such signals are frequently monitored by traders since they may indicate an impending significant reversal. If this pattern persists, we may be seeing the inception of a fresh rally. The market has shown volatility. Nonetheless, this change in momentum suggests a more promising outlook for Shiba Inu. However, you may be inquiring about the current situation. What is the underlying cause of this abrupt price fluctuation? Upon further observation, it seems like the whole cryptocurrency market is seeing a resurgence today. Who is spearheading the initiative? Bitcoin. The dominant cryptocurrency had a significant surge, rising to about 90,000. This occurrence is remarkable given the substantial selling pressure, reminiscent to the collapse of Three Arrows Capital in 2022. One expert reports that spot exchanges have just seen one of the most significant sell-offs in years. Bitcoin continues to maintain its position at the 95,000 threshold, which the analyst interprets as an indication of selling fatigue. Herein lies the intrigue. When Bitcoin fluctuates, the rest of the market often responds in like. The Shiba Inu is not an exception. As Bitcoin demonstrates resilience, trust is returning to the altcoin sector, with meme currencies such as Shiba Inu beginning to regain momentum. If this momentum continues, we may anticipate an exhilarating journey ahead. Additionally, other cryptocurrencies, apart from Bitcoin and Shiba Inu, are exhibiting indications of recovery. This recovery follows a significant downturn, mostly influenced by the persistent trade war tensions, including Trump and other prominent global economies. The uncertainty unsettled the market, prompting a series of sell-offs, but today's price movements indicate that investors may be restoring their trust. The market seems to be dispelling fear and opting to progress. The prevailing bullish trend has significantly intensified conjecture about Shiba Inu. Certain individuals assert that this marks the inception of a significant development, forecasting that Shiba Inu will eliminate several zeros imminently. Some assert that the long-anticipated 1 cent milestone may not be as unattainable as previously believed. These are only forecasts. However, one fact is unequivocal. Shiba Inu has captured widespread interest once again, and with the market transitioning to a bullish trend, any outcome is possible. However, here is the revelation. Certain experts have carefully and realistically assessed that Shiba Inu may soon reach the remarkable $1 threshold. A prominent market analyst recently conducted an in-depth examination of the concept, investigating the feasibility of Shiba Inu achieving such a substantial advancement. The cryptocurrency is now fluctuating within a consistent price range, contending with pessimistic sentiment. Recently, it reached its annual nadir, but promptly recovered. Despite not having regained its previous high from last year, investors remain optimistic, certain that Shiba Inu may eventually attain the coveted $1 milestone. Optimism emerged from a prominent exchange, Coin, which made an audacious forecast on Shiba Inu's destiny last month. However, not all individuals are persuaded. A subsequent report by Trade City Pro adopted a more cautious stance, elucidating the reasons this aim may be unattainable. The primary obstacle is Shiba Inu's enormous supply. Currently, there are hundreds of billions of tokens in circulation. Should the price reach a whole dollar, its market capitalization would surge to an astronomical figure. That it would exceed the worth of the whole world economy many times. To contextualize, gold, the most esteemed asset globally, remains well below that figure, while the aggregate value of the whole cryptocurrency market fails to approach it. Consequently, economists contend that without a significant decrease in supply, the prospect of Shiba Inu attaining a value of $1 is mathematically implausible. An article from the Motley Fool corroborated this, stating that the figures do not align. However, the matter at hand is as follows. The majority of those advocating for the $1 forecast do not really anticipate its realization occurring instantaneously. Conversely, they see it as a long-term goal, perhaps requiring years or even decades, contingent upon token burning, adoption rates, and general market expansion. One certainty exists. Regardless of whether Shiba Inu attains that extraordinary pricing point, the enthusiasm and confidence in its future remain steadfast. The community continues to exhibit unwavering enthusiasm, and as seen repeatedly, unpredictability is inherent in cryptocurrency. Nonetheless, despite these optimistic developments, an unusual occurrence is transpiring. Amidst this rebound, the whale's substantial holders of Shiba Inu are discreetly departing. On-chain data indicates a rapid and significant decrease in major transactions. In the previous day, the volume of Shiba Inu transacted in substantial deals has decreased by almost 50%. Trillions of tokens that were transacting yesterday have abruptly decelerated. The volume has decreased by many tens of millions of dollars. It is not only a little decline. It constitutes a significant transformation. However, it becomes more bizarre. The wallets that often own substantial quantities of Shiba Inu, which frequently influence significant price fluctuations, are not accumulating as much as they previously did. Their inflows have plummeted overnight, decreasing from billions of tokens to hardly a fraction of that amount. Simultaneously, outflows, or the volume of Shiba Inu departing from these substantial wallets, have surged, increasing several-fold compared to the typical volume. This indicates that major stakeholders are either reallocating their assets or divesting them completely. Change is occurring, although the subsequent developments remain uncertain. What is the current situation? Are these whales anticipating a more advantageous entrance point? Are they realigning in anticipation of a more significant maneuver? Is there an underlying development that the broader market has yet to recognize? Regardless of the circumstances, with the major stakeholders withdrawing, Shiba Inu's next actions may hinge on their continued silence or a vigorous resurgence. The market is now observing and anticipating further developments. However, what is even more astonishing is as follows. Shinkashi Kusama and the other Shiba Inu creators remain elusive. There are no updates, no postings, and not even the faintest indication of the current situation. Complete absence of communication. This is causing discomfort among individuals. Some speculate if this is only a lull before a significant announcement, while others doubt the team's ability to restore Shiba Inu to its previous prominence. Currently, all that can be done is to await developments. However, the key point is as follows. Irrespective of the whale's activities or the developer's presence, there exists an enduring power inside Shiba Inu. The community. Today, the community is demonstrating its considerable strength. In the preceding 24 hours, the Shiba Inu burn rate has surged dramatically, increasing by an extraordinary proportion. A substantial quantity of tokens has been irrevocably eliminated from circulation, sent to inactive blockchain addresses from which they will never be retrieved. This recent blaze, propelled solely by the commitment of the Shiba Inu community, serves as a reminder that regardless of market fluctuations or the actions of major stakeholders, this community continues to advance. Each burnt token results in a somewhat reduced supply, which might significantly impact a token such as Shiba Inu over time. Although uncertainties persist about future developments, one fact is certain. The primary strength of Shiba Inu has always been its community, which has once again shown its influence today. Ultimately, it is often prudent to reflect on the words of Lucy, a prominent character in the Shiba Inu society, who recently said that there is no need for tension. What is destined to occur will unfold. One should invest judiciously and allow events to transpire naturally. It is a simple but profound lesson. The cryptocurrency market fluctuates in cycles. Some days are characterized by exhilaration, while others are marked by uncertainty and skepticism. Prices oscillate, large investors fluctuate, developers remain reticent, and speculation proliferates. Nevertheless, the fundamental principle endures: patience. Those who genuinely believe in Shiba Inu are not merely seeking immediate profits, they are committed for the long term. Thus, regardless of whether the market is bullish or bearish, or whether developers maintain silence or issue significant announcements, the most prudent course may be to remain composed, invest judiciously, eschew unnecessary anxiety, and allow time to unfold its course. For in cryptocurrency, as in life, what is destined to occur will transpire. What is your perspective on this statement? Please share your thoughts below. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.